Ice, ice, baby. Welcome along to Joe Reviews. Today I've got a couple of ice creams. I've got this, Mr. Kipling Cherry Bakewell, and I've got this, Mr. Kipling Viennese Whirl. Got them both in Iceland / Food Warehouse. This one was $3.95 and this one was £3.50. I don't know why this one was more, but it was. I'm a big fan of both, and they brought 4 flavours out. I've not got all 4 because I couldn't be bothered. I've just got these 2. The other 2 flavours they do is French Fancy and Chocolate Slice flavours. So they were all in the Iceland as well. So if you see them, grab hold of them. And they were both at $3.50, the other 2. So it's just this one that are being a bit cheeky and charging you a bit more money. So there you go. Anyway, let's crack them open and see what they're all about. I'm excited about both because I love Cherry Bakewells and I love Viennese Whirls. So yeah, I'm going in here first. Oh, it was dead easy to get in that. The lid won't come off. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Oh, it looks good. It does look good. Oh, it's so smooth. It's just gone in there. Look at that. Now this is meant to have a bit of crumbled shortbread in it. Can't really taste much of that. It just tastes like a very, very nice raspberry ice cream. But it's nice, it's tasty. But if you're expecting the Viennese Whirl bit, there's not enough shortbread in there. Definitely not enough shortbread in there. Anyway, let's try the more expensive Cherry Bakewell one. And it says here, ice cream swirled with fruity sauce, cherries and pastry pieces. So, could be good. Let's crack it open and see what it's all about. So there you go. Look at that. Get the old spoon in there and see what it's about. Yeah, it definitely tastes of Cherry Bakewell. It is good, really nice. One criticism, I think it's too sweet. It was a bit, yeah, that is sweet. You know, it is very, very sweet. Really sweet. So, but yeah, really nice. For the size of the tub, are we saying $3.95 is a bit much? Can you justify that? I don't know. But there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.